Hey, Tao! Hey, Tao, hey!
What? What is it?
Are you glad you think Apple did?
Yeah, that dope the boy the birds one of a time you did it.
Hey, Tao!
What?
Ho, ho, ho!
Merry Christmas, Tao!
It Christmas? Oh my goodness!
Yeah, that's right, Tao. Today is Christmas. Yay!
Oh my goodness, better today Christmas! I know it's dying!
And being a Christmas, I got you a Christmas present just for you, Tao. Open the present. You are the Myers.
Oh my goodness! I wanna die! Damn! That is so beautiful! It's a picture of the details! The what? The eyes, the teeth, the blood, the touch, the pimples, even a fire! Even though a pig melting. I love it so much! Thank you, Maya! Thank you!
You're welcome, Tao. That's how I met was born. Oh, I gotta open the present for me. I wanna die.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
It's the robot Todd, and I can talk to myself. Hey, robot Todd, hey!
Hello, Mayor. Nice to meet you.
That one.
Right, Mayor. Let's stand at dawn.
Yo, AI orders in the house! That's right! It's the Roomba song! Let's do it! Roombas, they're the best. Clean up your mess with no rest. Rolling and sucking all around the floor. Got a built-in vacuum, that's what they're for. They spin and swirl with grace and style. Picking up crumbs and making us smile. No need to sweep or use a dustpan. Just turn on your Roomba and it'll handle the plan. So if you got a mess and you're feeling low, just let your Roomba go. It'll clean up your place in no time flat. And you'll be kicking back, feeling oh so fat. Roombas, they're the best. Clean up your mess with no rest. Rolling and sucking all around the floor. Got a built-in vacuum, that's what they're for. Roombas, they're the best. Clean up your mess with no rest. Rolling and sucking all around the floor. Got a built-in vacuum, that's what they're for.
Oh, bravo.
Very
Great
good.
job, Mater.
Not bad at all.
Aw, thank you, Dose. That's how I will be mad at the boy. That's how I always say.
Let's cheer for Mater. Hip hip.
Yay!
Hooray. Woohoo.
Yahoo!
Why? Everybody cheering for me.
That's not true, Mayor. I can't make the equipment cheer. I'm so boring.
Aw, don't be that, Tao. I thought you were Christmas cheer.
Oh, you do? What is it?
Night.
Huh?
Whoa!
Wow!
Well, that was my hurt.
Wow!
Man, better time of the year.
Yeah, Mayor. Don't I? April Queen.
Oh, Dad.